I'm hungry, so we're gonna make some green chili queso. It's gonna be super easy because we're gonna make it in the microwave and it's gonna be done in like 2 minutes, you guys. So the type of cheese you want to use for this, you want to use some white American cheese. I had to go to the deli. I went to Safeway, but I had to go to the deli to find mine. So you're gonna add some of that to a big bowl, and then you're gonna add in some milk. And then we're gonna add in just a splash of water. And then we're going to pop this in the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you want to take it out. You want to stir it up. And then you're going to go ahead and add it back into the microwave for 30 seconds. Take it out, stir it up, pop it back in if necessary. You just want it to be completely melted and creamy. So next, we're going to go ahead and add in some roasted green chilies. Add in as much as you want. And then I chopped up some pickled jalapeños and I'm going to add those in. And a little bit of the juice from the jalapeños. And then you're going to go ahead and mix that in. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of seasoning. You can add whatever seasonings you want. A while back, my cousin started talking about some green chili queso, and I became obsessed with trying to find some, and I couldn't. I hate Chipotle's queso, by the way. So I found this recipe, and it's so easy, and it's so good, you guys. Add some sauteed onions, some tomatoes, peppers, but this quick and easy way, it's super delicious, girl. So good. If you're a queso fan, which I am, I love nachos and queso and yeah, cheesy.